My favorite place, Toluca Snowy. It's a volcano located in the state of Mexico, to be more exact, in the city of Toluca. It's a very large elevation, site is the 4,680 meters above sea level. This is one of the most beautiful tourist destinations in the Mexico Valley area. This is the Toluca Snowy. Is very amazing. This touring attraction generate great attention since reaching the crater area is real challenge. All is due the lack of oxygenation in the body and the great pressure generated by being at this height. There are many recommendations to be able to go to this place, since if you are someone who does not tolerate very high pressure, you will see yourself in many problems. Children under 12 years old or people with a history of cardiac or hypertensive are not allowed. This is a picture of the Toluca Snowy. This picture is mine. The best time to visit place is in the winter, since to low temperatures generate snow and into wonderful view of the volcano. Remember that if you are going to visit this beautiful place, you should go as far as possible. This is a very, very, very good picture. This is the lay of the sun. If you manage to the cliff and reach the crater of the volcano, you will be able to find a majestic view and enter the tall lake of Alef, that of the Son of the Moon. These two lakes are very representative of this place since they form wonderful views from the top of the crater. This is amazing. The lake of sun, lake moon. I had the opportunity to attend this wonderful and incredible place in January 2019. Although my stay was very short, I was able to enjoy the beautiful landscape that it offers. From the moment you enter this place, there is part of the slopes of the volcano, called the Deer Park, where you can taste typical food of the region, since the people who live in the surroundings cook them for you. This is the best picture. Why would I recommend this place? The fact of being able to interact with nature is already a good pretext. But apart from all this, you will enjoy the school land sign in the your state. You will see all the wonder of the national park. I recommend that because it's sometimes very interesting to know a volcano so closely. The stay here is very comfortable. Clearly, if you like cool weather, obviously is the very significant disadvantage sign is the possible to reach the highest points of the volcano. The lack of oxygen is very considerable, so you must go prepared with chocolates or some soft drink to increase your pressure and you can oxygenate very well. Since you know all this, it's time to go visit beautiful place. More pictures take for me. Activities that can be done there, and that I do this part. You can do endless activities, more for them very interesting. The first will be tricks of good pinchadas de chorizo in the dirt park. The second is from the dirt park to the of the volcano, but walking or cycling. Sign access by car is restricted. The third is mountaineering. Since this is one of the most practiced by visitors. The fourth